uJubjub kulindeleke ukuthi avele enkantolo namhlanje eGoli kulandela ukuboshwa kwakhe izolo emva kokukhomba udriver weUber ngesibhamu emsola ukuthi yena nentombi yakhe bayajola 99. Kanti izinga lokunuka lisale kulikhuphuke njalo eSherwood lapho kuhleli khona abaseMalawi abakuleli ngokungemvume ngoba amabhasi angakubo afuna abakhokhe kuqala ngaphambi kokuthi abathathe.
SA News TK Zuma.
Sinibingelele namukele endabeni ze-SA News TK Zuma sanibonani. uJubjub kulindeleke ukuthi avele enkantolo eGoli namhlanje emva kokuboshwa kwakhe izolo kulandela ukukhomba ngesibhamu udriver weUber obelethe intombi yakhe wayesemsola ngokuthi lo driver kanye nentombi yakhe bayajola 99. uJubjub ubese boshwa-ke izolo eboshelwa icala lokuthumba ukusabisa ukukhomba ngesibhamu hayi ngeke uJubjub ukhumbule oJubjub banokubuye bakhumbule ejele madoda kithi uyasazi isikhathi noma iminyaka uJubjub ayihlala ejele ukuthi anga reckless kanjena nje yena wonke Yey man uyazi ukuthi ejele kuthiwa benza njani mawukade uhleli nabo ngaphakathi uboshiwe usuphumile mase bekukhumbula nje kade uhleli nabo kuthiwa angazi bathatha indishi kanjani bafake icoin phakathi angazi bese beyadayisa bese bebiza igama lakho babiza igama lakho bathi bani boya bese wena uyasangana ke ngaphandle wenza into ezokuphambanisa nomthetho hawu ubuyele ngaphakathi bakwamukele ngezandla ezimhlophe cishe ke noJubjub naye bamlokhuzile yabona bambizile awu kodwa noJubjub uyazi kodwa o-driver be-e-hailing mfethu bayazi ba-right kanjani ayi ngeke kodwa hayi bonke uyabona labo sisi laba abaphuma ngo-10 ebusuku abashayisa ngo-10 emsebenzini uthola ukuthi nje umuntu wakho usethi nje hayi mina senginomuntu wami nje ongilandayo sengivele ngimfonele straight angisa-request ngisho uku-request kanti sekuwumuntu wakhe ngampela awazi sixolise Jubla maswida amaningi correction sekisobhafule emakhoneni ding dong phezu kwenye ejele nantu da.
We have arrested a 45-year-old male suspect on 3 charges. The first one being that of discharging of a firearm in a municipal area. The second charge being that of kidnapping, and the third being that of defeating the ends of justice. According to a preliminary investigation by the police, there was an altercation between him and an Uber driver, which led to this particular suspect firing a shot in the municipal area. We can confirm that our ballistics experts and our detectives are on the ground where they are investigating this particular incident.
Izinga lokunuku eSherwood eThekwini lisale kuliqhubeke njalo kuleya ndawo lapho kugcinwe khona abokufika abaseMalawi abangenawo amaphepha okuba kule mhlawumbe sikucacise lokho la bekhona njengoba bebhikisha benza yonke into balapha eSouth Africa bavikelekile yebo kodwa abanawo amaphepha okuba seSouth Africa ngokusemthethweni so akekho umuntu ke ongenawo amaphepha okuba sendaweni bese ephinde futhi eyacomplaina demand yenza ama demands ngoba vele uyisigebengu loyo muntu right sixolise kuleya ndawo yaseSherwood afikile amabhasi aseMalawi ebekusola ukuthi athunywe ugovernment noma uhulumeni waseMalawi ukuthi uzolanda labantu kodwa uthathe njena abayi1000 kuphela emva kwaloko bakhala ngokuthi abantu baseMalawi bafuna o-driver bakho hayibo lamabhasi kuthiwa abakhokhisa kanjani ungabatakula kanjani because labantu badinga ukutakula umhla ka30 useduzane manje uma ngampela bengabatabula asazi nathi kuzokwenzakalani kubona so awukwazi ukuthi uzotakula abantu ne-embassy yaseMalawi ithuli nje ulazi labantu badom ngampela ungazotakula abantu uthi abakhokha imali bayitha kodwa phela vele banayo imali angithi ba ama hard workers bona abekho lazy basebenza kanzima they've been working very hard awusebehlula ukukhokhela ibhasi eMalawi angithi abekho lazy they are hard workers bahlulwa yini ukukhokhela ibhasi sixolise nantu udaba.
So this is the situation like Sherwood bafika khona ama foreigners. This is the situation. This is how dirty this place is right now. Umgqibelo ntambama manje babalethela ukudla ke lapha namanzi. I don't know which company is this. This is food here. Yeah, but this is the situation.
Ayike mbukeli yasizibambe lapho ke zamanje uphinde usithamele futhi kwezilandelayo ungakhohlwa ukuthi you can advertise and promote your business with us ku SA News by dialing the number on screen usitshele ukuthi ibhizinisi lakho liyini lisebenza kanjani bese siyakwazi ukuthi silibeke emehlweni abantu ngoba yikho into ebaleke njenganokuthi ibhizinisi noma ibrand yakho ingasuki emehlweni abantu. That's the only way it can grow. Izindaba ze-SA News zicheme udede futhi zithatha uhlangothi.